All right guys, so you want to get fancy, you want to learn how to do a cool one-handed cut where you cut the cards and then from there you have one card come flying out of the deck and it's their selection. It's an awesome card technique, card trick that you can do. It's very straightforward once you learn how to do the one-handed cut. You can do the Sleight cut, which is the basic one, and what I like to use is the revolution cut, where you do the 180 and then go into the card flying out of the deck. I teach that in another video that I just posted, so if you do want to learn that, I think it's probably one of the most elegant one-handed cuts out there. So check that out if you want to learn that. But we'll also just look at the basic move. We have all the options available for you. So the most basic way is to just split about half the cards, allowing you to grab a card with your index finger. And so once you've done that, you can pull the card out with your finger, and you're using your second finger on the side of the deck, allowing the card to pivot up and around and ultimately creating an L shape like so. From there, you are putting pressure with your thumb to keep some sort of pressure with this card. And so once you're getting into this L-shaped position, you take your second finger and first finger and you apply pressure onto the card. And from there you flick your second finger over to get the card to come out of the deck. And what I like to do as well, you can use your arm to just provide a little more momentum to get the card really flying across to the other side. And so as you're doing that flicking motion with the second finger, you're also moving your arm around to get it to fly a bit further. And so that's the basic move right there. You're opening about half the cards, you're pulling a card from the center with your first finger, and you're rotating it around that second finger and into an L formation. You're creating some sort of tension with your thumb and palm, and you're grabbing the back of the card, or you're putting pressure on the back of the card with your second finger and a little bit of your first. And so from there, see how you kind of bend it a little bit to get that motion, a little bit of tension to get the card to shoot out. So that's really the basics behind it. If you want to have their selection cut and then flown out of the deck, what you do is you get their card, their selection, to the bottom of the deck. Let's say it's the King of Clubs. And so from there, let's say we start with the Sleight cut. What you're doing is you're doing the cut and you want to push the top cards a little bit out jogged. So that gives you a little bit of room to use your first finger to pull that King of Clubs up and out and into that L-shaped position. From there, you can go ahead and do the launch to get their card flying out of the deck. What looked like a perfect cut was simply just the bottom card. And the most elegant way to do that, I would say, is the revolution cut, where you are doing the fancier one-handed cut where you're rotating the cards. You're once again out jogging the top pack, which puts you in the perfect position to use your index finger to push up, say their selection, the 10 of hearts, up and over into that beautiful L shape. And once again, flicking the card out for their selection. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Shooting the card out of a deck. They've got the different levels, the basic, the beginner, sort of with the Sleight cut, and the more advanced version with the revolution cut. Once you get that down and you're shooting the cards out, that's really when you know you're taking your card magic to the next level. So I wish you guys all the best of luck, and we'll see you next time.